Hi, good evening viewers. This is Rajesh from Aparna Constructions, and as you all know about Aparna, this is what we only believe in the quality of construction and in-time delivery to the customers. Okay, and we have got all the projects in all over the city. So we have got only 4 projects, wherein 2 projects are at already built in, ready to move in projects. One is Aparna Sarovar and the other one is Aparna Cyber Commune. So which you can just once you buy, you can just move in. And we have got 2 other projects, wherein one is Aparna Chandanagar Hill Park Avenue, and one more is Aparna Cyber Zone, which is a proposed one, which will be coming up in a few days, which will be officially launched by our Aparna Constructions. And the next one is Aparna Canopy, which is at Kompally, and we have got a villa project also, and which is at Chandanagar itself, beside this Aparna Hill Park Avenue. And this is what it is from Aparna projects is concerned. And as per the publicity, and we have got enough customers in our hand, wherein we do believe in our properties. That's the reason they come to us. That's what, and we are rigid regarding the price and all those things. So as per the villa is concerned, we have got 2 different sizes, 267 square yards and 315 square yards. So no negotiation, and everything goes as the process is. Yeah, price regarding the apartments is concerned, to minimum 2 BHK will cost you 40 lakhs, and a 3 BHK will cost you in an area around 55 lakhs, and the maximum would be 60 lakhs. And as per the villa is concerned, it will cost you somewhere around 1.5 to 2 crores. It is just in the initial stage. Once we are done with the totally constructed, then it would be somewhere around 2.5 to 3 crores. No, difference would be nothing. As per the distance is concerned, the price differs. Okay, the quality of construction would be the same if you go with a small construction. I mean to say small apartments, whether it may be small apartments or villas, whatever it is. It depends. The only difference would be in the open areas and square feet sizes. That's it, nothing else. As it's a gated community, everything would be, you will be getting inside the community itself as community hall, party halls, I mean to say, supermarkets, everything, whatever the gated community requires will be there with Aparna, and no need of going outside.